how to log in StarMaker account. So if you want to log into your StarMaker account, then first of all install the application, and once you've installed, open up your application, and after opening, here on the bottom you will have login or register. So you can simply go for that login or register, and now you can simply tap on any one of these options. So I'll be choosing the last login by mobile number, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you need to enter your mobile number, and after entering that, tap on next, and here your account has set a password. So if you remember the password, then simply tap on enter your password, and then you need to enter the password that you have used to create your account. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter it and then tap on login, and that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.